But for now, I'm going to number it. But I'll talk with Judge Pivoto and see kind of what kind of case that is compared to this one before I do anything.
Okay, pause here. Notice how Judge West doesn't rush. She's already weighing this case against others before making a move. That's what keeps courtrooms running smoothly. Context. Every decision isn't just about today, but about how it fits into the bigger legal puzzle.
And Ms. Jordan is charged in cause number 25, DCCR 0440, with misapplication of fiduciary property. And Mr. Crenshaw, what is the announcement?
This is our first setting, Judge. Mr. Cole and I have gone round and round and round. We
Add
are
around to that?
We are trying to get a resolution for this. If we could just come back for a standard setting, I'm confident this will be a plea.
State's not opposed to it.
All right, we'll just do a normal reset. Ms. Jordan, stay in touch with Mr. Crenshaw. He'll let you know when you need to be back. Yes, ma'am.
Carly Davis.
And then, Mr. Crenshaw, you have Sydney Lewis at the sentencing. Thank you.
Yes, Judge.
So it's Jordan's first class right now is with Dean Shannon. She got him, and it was her first. She went and met him a few weeks ago, and they had a great. Yes, contracts first thing
He's
this
the
morning.
best contracts with us.
She's very
I
excited.
wasn't a big fan of contracts, but he makes it so much fun.
Well, that's good for her first class, though.
Absolutely.
She's at Tech, yeah. All right, are you Sydney Lewis? And Ms. Lewis was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty in cause number 24, DCCR 1904, to the third-degree felony offense of theft of property. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that?
We have, Judge. I sent some information to Mr. Smith a week or two ago regarding some of these transactions, and we're trying to get some backup to them. We think some of
Here's where it gets tricky. Restitution. That's not just about punishment. It's about paying victims back. And if the numbers are off, even by a little, it can totally change someone's financial future. What would you do? Push forward with shaky math or hit pause for accuracy?
Stay in touch with Mr. Crenshaw. If there's any documentation, you need to make sure you get that to him. And if y'all can get that agreed, we'll take care of it then.
Great. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
Thank you. And then we need your help with off the initial, we'll see.
Oh, okay.
In addition to what else you got, so, let's see. Do I have the trial docket for next week, Kelly? Why would?
It's on my desk.
Oh, okay. Mr. Jeffries, are you, oh wait, I don't know if I have it yet. I'll call it as soon as it's ready. Oh, wait, never mind.
Judge, there's a new case.
It was dismissed?
There's a the guy has a active warrant
On Raquel Boyd?
He's claimed the pen time on his trial case, Judge, but in June, he was indicted for evading.
Okay.
Dismissed as part of that deal, but I think there's an issue since he had never been picked up on that warrant.
Oh, okay. I guess there's only one on my docket.
Right.
No,
the
on my-
evading was not on the docket for today because he had not yet been picked up on
because
that
he
warrant.
was at large. It's not on the docket.
Gotcha. So the evading, the new one's being dismissed, pleading on the other one.
10 years, yes.
Raphael Boyd, cause number 22-40094. Sorry, I've made that
No,
probably
it's-
more
it's a little
confusing
more
than it needed to be.
complicated than normal, but it allowed us to move this case.
Good.
Which is a 20-mile, it's not what's
Oh, we were just talking about that. Thank you. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. And I don't think he called you Babe, I think it's Babe.
Bay, well, I mean,
Either way,
that's so much better.
This is the moment everything shifts. Boyd pleads guilty. Did you catch how carefully Judge West confirmed he understood every right he was giving up? That's called a plea colloquy. It protects defendants from later saying, wait, I didn't know what I signed. Smart, precise, and airtight.
Sweetheart would ever be the term
No,
used
I
to
don't.
describe me.
I agree. I have to tell you that.
Raphael Boyd?
He's here.
Okay, I think he went to the, okay. And we're going on, are we gonna, let me go and get this pulled up
It's
right
count
while
one.
we're waiting.
I'm Mark, just count one since I'm using this. Sounds good.
Okay.
Just
It's okay, they said he went to the restroom. Where the state's elected to proceed on count one only. It alleges you committed the third-degree felony offense of unlawful possession.
8 years. Think about that. The weight of those words changes a person's entire life. And notice, Judge West isn't dramatic, but the law doesn't need theatrics here. The gavel comes down heavy enough. What would you feel in Boyd's shoes? Relief at the dismissal or dread at the prison term?
Jeffries.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, do you understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number one.
no, Judge.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Boyd is not competent?
No, Judge.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 8 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm also going to sign a dismissal as part of that agreement in cause number 25 DCCR 0636. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you have waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Obviously, you know this, but I'm required by law to read this to you. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Jeffries. All right, good luck to you, sir. You can go with the bailiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Jeffries. Yeah. All right. Mr. Macon, you've got Fernando Flores.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Malfino and
Hold
I
on, let's get
worked out an agreement.
Hold on. Are you okay?
Nothing was broken. Gouged a big thing in my nose. Looking and walking is dangerous.
I get it, believe me. I do. All right, so are you Fernando Flores? And this is cause number 24 DCCR 2354. Mr. Flores is charged with boating while intoxicated with a child passenger. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, there's going to be a refile, and I asked for 2 weeks reset for Ms. Malfino to achieve that, and then I'll be a plea.
All right.
And we had discussed that last week, Judge. We're going to refile it still as a felony, but as an endangering, so that he might take
Okay.
advantage of the deferred probation
Okay.
based on his job status, et cetera.
Okay.
So maybe 2 weeks, I can get it to grand jury.
Is that enough? Why don't we do 3 weeks just to make sure you have plenty of time? All right.
I'll get it to him on Wednesday.
Thank you. Mr. Flores, stay in touch with Mr. Macon, and we'll get your case taken care of at the next court date. Mr. Wilkerson, you have Charles Young.
Yes,
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Are you Charles Young? Yes, ma'am. And Mr. Young is charged with burglary of a habitation and cause number 25 DCCR 0102. And Mr. Wilkerson, what is the announcement?
That's a trial, Your Honor.
Did y'all do a,
A rejection? No, I'm not sure there was an offer conveyed, but it's a trial.
all right, if you'll just do one, even if you are choosing not to get one, if you'll just write that on there, that you've not requested one.
Okay.
And then I'll go through all of that in just a second. Just have a seat here in the courtroom. Y'all go over